Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use vinyl and my Cricut to create super fun stencils for Easter eggs. So I'm going to start out measuring my egg, and for this project I'll use 1.5 inches to cut my stencils. For most projects I use Oracal 651, but for this one I'll use 631 because I don't want it to be permanent. The color doesn't matter, I just use some scrap that I had because I'll peel it off when we're finished. For transfer tape, I like to use contact paper that I get at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, and I like to use the clear. So I'll use my stencil to measure out, and then I'll lay it directly over my vinyl and burnish with my scissor handles or my weeding tool. And then I'll peel it apart, peel the backing away from the contact paper, and then I'll lay it over my egg. So laying vinyl on a round surface can be tricky, so I use my scissors and make small cuts in between the letters to make the vinyl a little bit more forgiving. And now my vinyl will lay flat. So for this project I use spray dye, and I'll link it in the description box below. I wanted to use the spray to give it a little bit of a different look rather than the traditional eggs. So after my dye has dried, I'll take my weeding tool and carefully peel away the vinyl from the egg. And this will leave a negative effect of where my vinyl was laid. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thank you.